Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to check Twitter followers. You can just go ahead to the app, okay? Navigate to the profile at the top left and then click on your avatar icon. And then on your profile page, you will see the section labeled followers right here. And then just go ahead and click followers and you're going to see the followers and you're going to be able to browse their, their page, their profile, and then you're going to be able to see their follows as well if their account is public. Okay, and you can use the same method on the website, right? Go to twitter.com, log into your account, navigate to your profile, same, go to your followers as well, and then you can go to other people's followers by clicking right here, followers, to see their followers. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.